class 11th. In a previous class, I had already discussed you about meaning and importance of physical fitness and wellness. Meaning of physical fitness, you have to understand physical fitness is a simple function of psychological system in physical fitness. I had already explained you about physical fitness, doing any work without any stress, without any exertion or fatigue. We continuously do our work, our household work, or even our work outside our home, in school, or in market. After that, I had related physical fitness with some of the definition that are in a book and that are given in a book. Now the next heading is meaning of wellness. Meaning of wellness. What wellness means? Physical fitness is different and wellness is different. Although the terms and their meanings are slightly similar to each other, but they are different from each other in a physical education field or in a workout field that we work out doing exercise or playing games. Here are some of the statement regarding wellness. What is wellness? Wellness is considered the optimum state of health when you are away from disease, away from stress, and your health is good and best. Then we can say the optimal state of health. Wellness involves a healthy balance of mind, body, spirit, mind, body, spirit, which result in overall feelings of well-being. It is a combination of many things. Body, you should be physically fit. Mind, how we can make our mind fit. I would like to ask you a question. Physically fit, you know very well, by cycling, by playing game, or doing various kinds of exercise, you can make your body physically fit. But it is very, very important that your mind should be physically fit also. And how you can increase your physical fitness of your mind. Hope you are trying to find that answer. And the answer is by doing yoga. There are various asanas related to meditation. You can increase the capability and ability of your mind also. And spirit, same for your spirit also, that by doing yoga, by meditation, you can lift the level of your spirit or boost your morale also. Wellness can be defined pursuit of a healthy balanced lifestyle. When we are having our balance and healthy lifestyle. As we all are living in a society, we sometimes do not think about our healthy lifestyle. Later on, I am coming to this topic also. Wellness is a capability of an individual to lead well balanced life. Balanced, making a balance of all those things. If you are physically fit, mentally fit, and spiritually fit. In the recent years, concept of wellness, staying healthy and achieving the highest potential for well-being has become very popular. Especially nowadays, we are feeling and giving a time to a physical workout also. Most of us, as present in our country, want to maintain and improve the health of our children also. Not only for elders, but it is important for children also that they take them to to improve health. They sometimes take the advice of a doctors also. But unfortunately, we do little in preventing dangerous disease that strike them later in their life. By doing work, physical work, by playing games, we can avoid many things. Importance of physical fitness and wellness. That is a wellness overall feeling of well-being. These are the few points related to the meaning of wellness. How we can make and do work hard related to physical fitness and wellness. Wellness is made up of multiple dimensions such as physical wellness, mental wellness, emotional wellness, spiritual wellness, and occupational wellness and environmental wellness. Physical wellness, if you are physically fit, you are well. Mental wellness, how, where you find yourself according to mental wellness. Mental wellness is related to what you think, what you plan. Mental wellness, what you think. Sometimes we divert our mind and our thinking become negative to the other people, to your even friends also. That is your mental health. And if we had said something wrong, we should ask forgiveness also. That is all depend upon your mental health. Emotional wellness, when we are emotionally fit, our emotions are controlled. We can control our emotions. That is emotional wellness. Social wellness. What you understand by social wellness? If I am in a class, suppose I am teaching you in a class and I am asking you this question related to social wellness. What answer would you like to give me? What answer you will give? You may try to find out answer that Most of the common you will say that we are living in a society. You will relate your answer to the society, with the society, and that is the same social wellness, that we are all living in a society, and in that society we have different level of peoples, different age group peoples, old, young, teenagers, child, and what we do in a society, we get our name, that he is doing that, he is doing that. Suppose from that you become a good cricket player, people will recognize you as a cricket player, or that particular area will give you a particular name because you play a wonderful cricket, or you sing a song, or you play a musical instrument. That is all in a society. Occupational wellness. What is occupational wellness? Whatever we are doing, I am teaching this subject as a teacher. This is my occupation, this is my profession that I am doing, and I am happy in delivering this message as a physical education teacher. That means I love my profession. That is an occupational wellness. Environmental wellness, most of you know, but still I would like to explain you about environmental wellness, that is related to environment. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is related to environmental wellness. If you know about Swachh Bharat mission, you will come to know about environmental wellness, how we can create a healthy environment in our local places, nearby home. We can protect forest, clean rivers, and nowadays more and more stress is laid down in environmental wellness. If you are interested in reading newspapers and watching news at your television sets, you will come to know every day environmental, they are talking about environment. That is an environmental wellness. How we can clean it, how we can make it more and more and more better. So this was the meaning of wellness. And now importance of physical fitness and wellness. Both the things are there. And importance of physical fitness and wellness. In this paragraph, we are going to study about physical fitness and wellness. Physical fitness and wellness are really significant for leading happy and well balanced life. Physically fit individuals tend to have lower resting blood pressure. Everyone wants to have physical fitness to perform the routine work easily. That is a physical fitness. What is the importance? These are necessary for reducing risk of heart attack and lungs disease. These are the two things we should understand. If you will physically fit and you will lead your wellness lifestyle, it will always reduce the disease related to heart. It will reduce the risk of your heart and lungs disease. Although physical fitness varies according to the task to the perform, a certain level of physical fitness is necessary for a common man too. It is very important to do physical work or physical exercise. Doctors indicate that physical fitness maintains muscular tissues, dis- decrease the risk of injury and reduce lower back pain. So it is very important to do work and remain physically fit and do exercise. Physical fitness and wellness play a key role in improving mental ability of a man also. I had explained you what is mental fitness or mental ability. You can increase with the help of yoga, doing various asanas. These tend to enhance productivity and quality at work. If you are mentally fit, naturally the work of your quality will be good. Meaning of wellness, it can be concluded that physical fitness and wellness are necessary for everyone in every walk of life or day to day work. It is very important that you may be physically fit and well also. Meaning of lifestyle. The meaning of lifestyle. Lifestyle is a manner of living that reflects the person's value and attitudes. Whatever habits you are having, that means it reflects back that person values and attitude. This is very important to understand. Lifestyle is a set of attitudes, habits, or possessions associated with a particular person or a group. Habits. What type of habits you are having? You sit in a clean place, environmental balance, environmental wellness. I had told you recently. That is one of the good habit. What type of habits you are following? You respect the others, you wish others. These are the small habits that reflects in your personalities. Importance of positive lifestyle. It is very important. A healthy lifestyle is absolutely vital for reducing the incidence and impact of problems for recovery. Many problems. If our habits are not good, naturally we will be in a wrong place. There are some points related to positive lifestyle or importance of lifestyle. First is increase longevity, increase energy level, help in reducing depression. These are 6 or 7 headings. One by one we will understand in a next class.